Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. If you're using Blogger and struggling with Google AdSense approval, I really understand how frustrating that feels. Maybe it says low value content. Maybe insufficient content. Or sometimes no clear reason at all. After a few rejections, most people lose motivation. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a real alternative to Google AdSense that gives very fast approval, doesn't require minimum traffic, works even if your website is new, has a very low payout limit, and works perfectly with Blogger. I'll show you everything step by step on screen, so don't skip any part because one small mistake can cause issues later. Lightbulb, what is Propellerads? The platform we're using today is Propellerads. Propellerads is a well-known ad network and many beginners use it as an alternative to AdSense. The biggest reason people choose it? It's much easier to get approved. There's no minimum traffic requirement. Even if your site gets only a few visitors a day, you can still apply and get approved. Once you create an account and place their code on your website, ads start showing automatically. You earn money either when people see the ads or when they interact with them. Unlike AdSense, which mainly focuses on banner ads, Propellerads uses different types of ad formats like on-click ads, also called pop-under ads, push notifications, interstitial full-screen ads. These formats are designed to generate higher earnings, especially for new websites. And the best part? You can withdraw your earnings starting from just $5. That's much lower than AdSense's $100 requirement. Open the website. Now let's move to the practical part. Open any browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use Chrome or anything else. Go to Google and search for Propellerads. Click on the official website, usually the first result. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on Start. Choose Publisher. Now you'll see two options: Advertiser, Publisher. If you want to run ads for your own business, you choose Advertiser. But if you want to show ads on your website and earn money, choose Publisher. I'm choosing Publisher. Now it redirects you to the sign-up page, which is connected with Moneytag. You can either sign up using your email or continue with Google. I prefer continuing with Google because it's faster, but you can choose whatever you like. After verification, you'll see the account setup page. Fill in your details. Here you need to choose whether you're registering as a company or an individual. If you have a registered company, choose company. If not, just choose individual. That's what I'm doing. Then, select your country. Add your address. You can add contact details if you want, but it's optional. After that, scroll down and click Continue. Simple. Add your Blogger website. Now you'll see three traffic options: website, social traffic, Telegram mini app. If you're using Blogger, choose website. Now paste your Blogger website URL. To copy your Blogger link, just right-click on View Blog, copy the link address, and paste it here. Scroll down. In the first additional option, you can mention YouTube if you have a channel. In the second one, you can write none if nothing applies. Accept the terms, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Sign Up. Verify your website for Blogger users. After signing up, you'll land inside the Moneytag dashboard. Click Add Website. Now comes the verification step. If you have hosting and a custom website, you can upload a file to your root folder. But if you're using Blogger like me, choose the Insert Code option. Copy the JavaScript code they provide. Now go back to your Blogger dashboard. Click Theme Edit HTML. Inside the HTML code, find the tag. Paste the copied code right below the tag. Click Save. Now go back to Moneytag and click Verify. After a few seconds, your website should show as verified. Add Ad Zone. Once your site is verified, click on Ad Zone. You'll see different ad formats. If you're a beginner, I recommend choosing multi-tag or auto ads because it automatically optimizes ad placement. Copy the new JS code. Again, go to Blogger Edit HTML, paste the code inside the section, click Save. Now open your website in a browser without an ad blocker. After some time, ads will start appearing. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, so don't worry if you don't see them instantly. Earnings and withdrawal. Inside your dashboard, you can track impressions, clicks, revenue, performance reports. The minimum payout is only $5. You can withdraw using options like Payoneer, bank transfer, and other available methods depending on your country. Important warning, now I want to be very honest with you. Do not click your own ads. Don't use VPN. Don't use proxy. Always focus on real traffic. Bonus, direct link method. There's also a direct link option. You can generate a direct ad link and share it on social media platforms. When someone clicks, you earn. You can also add that link inside your Blogger website. But again, don't spam. Use it smartly. Final words. If AdSense rejected you, don't feel discouraged. AdSense is not the only way to earn from blogging. Start small. Stay consistent. Focus on quality content. Grow your traffic naturally. And the income will follow. More AI tools and creative hacks coming soon. Thanks for watching.